All right, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm gonna pick up some calculus here. It's gonna be another integration practice video. It's gonna evaluate the integral cosine of 4 theta times the square root of 2 minus sine of 4 theta d theta. Okay, so this one looks pretty intimidating, but all we really need to do here for this is just a u substitution. The square root is probably what makes this look intimidating, so we want to try to mitigate that. So let's let u equal what's under the square root. So let's let u equal 2 minus sine of 4 theta. When we take the derivative of that, remember that 2 is a constant, so its derivative is 0. So we're really just differentiating the minus sine of 4 theta, which if we use the chain rule, we'll get minus 4 cosine of 4 theta. Don't forget to multiply by d theta. And what that substitution is going to do for us is going to allow us to cancel out this cosine of 4 theta that's sitting on the outside of the integral sign. So when we solve for d theta, we'll get negative 1 over 4 cosine of 4 theta du is equal to d theta. So that's what we get when we solve for d theta. Now, if you're not convinced as to what actually happened, here's what happened. So we had our integral, remember, cosine of 4 theta, which was sitting on the outside. We had the square root of u. Then we had our negative. You can bring the du on top if you want to. So this would be negative du over 4 cosine of 4 theta. And what ends up happening is the cosine of 4 thetas will cancel out. You can factor out a negative 1 over 4. And then on the inside, you'll have the square root of u du. Okay. Then if you integrate, you'll get negative 1 over 4 times 2 over 3 u raised to the 3 over 2 plus c. If you simplify here, this will give you negative 2 over 12 u raised to the 3 over 2 plus c, but we know that 2 over 12, or negative 2 over 12 in this case, can be reduced down to negative 1/6. And we can substitute the u back in. So this would be negative 1 over 6. Put your u back in. U was 2 minus sine of 4 theta. That's raised to the 3 over 2, and then tackle on a plus c, which is actually your answer. So your final answer for this integral is that. So let's write that down. So we're asked to integrate cosine of 4 theta times the square root of 2 minus sine of 4 theta d theta. The answer here is going to be negative 1 over 6 2 minus sine of 4 theta raised to the 3 over 2 plus c. All right, so if you guys got any questions about how I arrived at my answer there, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to elaborate on it further. But that's your solution. All right, guys, I'll see y'all next time.